Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're going to be installing a cabin filter into the 208. Alright, so let's get straight to it. We're going to pop open the bonnet and head inside. So starting from the driver's side, we're going to go up the car towards the wiper blades, and you'll see here there's this panel here. I'm going to start doing it right there. There you go, yeah. So reading the Haynes manual, it suggests to completely remove the wiper blades and this entire section for some reason. So if for whatever reason your car doesn't have that panel, then that's what you got to do. But it was here on this car, so I have no idea why it said that. So the panel itself is in two pieces. I'm not quite sure why, but they are. Now before we get any further, I'll just point out that there is actually this panel at the front here which folds down and allows the filter to come out. However, I kind of didn't see that, and I just sort of pulled them out from the top. Yeah. Cool, so that's the first one out. The second one is actually to the right of it. So you'll need to bring it left and then out where you got the first one out. And there it is. Oh, it's beautiful. So what are we replacing it with? Well, I've chosen this Bosch air filter. This is actually like a really special one. It's like meant to be like antibacterial or something. So if you're one of those people who still wear a mask in your car, then that might be good.
Who, me?
No, not you. Anyway, moving on. So after finding out that the panel was meant to be down, I've now actually moved it down. And you can see on the side here you've got the two clips as well. So with the new panel unboxed, it's good to compare the two, make sure you actually do have the right ones. And also you can see where the airflow is meant to go as well. This is very important that it does go the right way. So we're going to start with the smaller one. Remember that it goes in the hole where the big one went, and then it slides to the right. I'm going to try and show it on camera. It's quite tricky to get the camera in there, and my hand, and yeah. Okay, so once it's in, it's just a case of like just kind of pushing it until it actually fits. Once it's flush like that, then that's it. That's perfect. It's in place, and then you just need to fit in the big one after that. And this is the big one going in now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'd say the hardest part was probably the smaller one. So once that's in and that's flushed too, oh, you can see them both there looking nice. It's just a case of popping up the front panel again and then putting the cover back on. And the front panel cover thing, that just goes on to back first and then pushing in from the front. And that's it, it's all done. Would I recommend getting this done? Yes, 100%. Is it easy? Yeah, it's pretty easy. I would say it's probably easier than the air filter. And I also I'd recommend actually getting them checked as well. Even if you've had your car serviced or taken to a garage or anything, chances are it's never been done. The ones in this car were actually still the original from 9 years ago. So depending on the age of your vehicle, you might want to get them checked. Even if you just do it yourself, that's yeah, it's cheap and it's easy to do, so I'd get it done. Anyway, I hope you lot have enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.